The new flat rate has created friendships, has created partnerships with each other. We're all across the country. It's helped increase our average ticket for sure. Professionalism, like you just mentioned. I mean, the list could just go on and on and on. We started our company in 2016, just a leap of faith. We just like, let's do this. It's now or never. So we went. We were about a year. He did his own flat rate pricing. It really wasn't as good. Of course, our average ticket was not what it needed to be. Didn't feel like we had any money in the bank, but we also had enough work where we needed to have technicians. So we found the new flat rate, and so we've been with them almost like 4 years, I guess now. So, and it's just been a game changer ever since. Probably doubled for sure. Where I'm able to have a salary, he's able to have a nice salary. We can still pay our technicians. We have vans that we have purchased and pay them off in a year or so. So it's been great.